Hi, I'm Melinda, and I want to thank you for subbing for me. These are some general instructions on how to get to Google Classroom because when I'm absent, this is how you would access the agendas and all things that the students would need to do for the day in class. So when you start my computer, I have paper instructions that are left on how to turn on the computer and my passcodes and stuff to get logged in. Once you're logged in, it comes up on the bottom, the taskbar that's at the very bottom, and I'm trying to stretch this open. I think I just did. At the bottom here, there's some arrows. So if you don't see the Chrome little icon here, you can click this Chrome icon and you're going to open it. When it opens, you will actually see, I'm going to drag this back up, that it will come up. The Northeast tab will be open and there is a login page. That's our Launchpad page. You're going to want to click on the Launchpad for login, and it will automatically say sign in, and it's automatically put in to do that. I've accidentally opened a second tab. Once these things are up, if I happen to be showing some type of videos, it would just be easy and already logged in for that to work. For class in general, at the beginning, you're going to open another tab. So at the top, you hit the plus sign. This opens another search engine. This is Google. From this point over on the right, there are 9 little Google Apps buttons. You're going to click that button and go down and select Classroom. This is where all of my classes are found, 1st through 7th. And it doesn't matter what period you open, they're generally all the same. Honors are doing something slightly different today. So you will click on first period, and in that you're going to click on the word classwork. Within classwork, the very first item is the daily agenda and warm-ups, and that's the one you're going to want to open. So when you click, it will be down here to say daily agenda. You will go ahead and open it, and it will open in a new tab on the screen. Now this tab, if you will click, you will have 3 monitors basically. When you're looking at my computer, that's monitor number 1. To the left, there's another monitor that has like the Teams. You could actually drag a tab over towards the left and be able to work. And then the big screen projector is on my right. So I'm going to click that tab and I'm going to drag that tab. As you can see, I'm dragging it off to the right. And if that projector is on, which you should have the projector on from the instructions, it's going to be like another monitor on the screen. You can then pick up the mouse, and I have it on a clipboard, and you can turn around and face that screen and it's like another monitor, and just use the mouse. You click slideshow. I'm going to bring that back over. I can slide it back over, and all I got to do is put that tab back up here and it's there. You're going to click slideshow up in the classroom, and then that will be projected so that you can see it very easily. So today what they're going to be doing, they started a project on posters yesterday. It's just a little extra poster. I have extra papers there. But anyway, you just go through that, and I will actually leave the instructions are pretty self-explanatory for today. After the daily agenda, if you click on the Google Classroom again, if you just scroll down in classwork, you'll see it says Wednesday 2-2 Newton's Laws poster. That gives the instructions if students were absent, this is what they're going to work on. But they actually have that paper, and I have extra papers for them in class. If you're here on a different day, you would just scroll down and find the date, and that would give the instructions to the students on what they would need to do. Thank you very much again for subbing for me. I appreciate it.